Today, we will show you how to enjoy the world's largest treasure hunt. The eTrex SE and Solar outdoor handhelds offer a live geocaching feature. Geocaches can be downloaded wirelessly to the handheld from geocaching.com. In this video, we will be using an eTrex SE. First, you need to establish a wireless connection by pairing your eTrex SE handheld to your compatible smartphone using the Garmin Explore app. For help, see our pairing with the Garmin Explore app video. Once you have set up a wireless connection, you can begin registering with geocaching.com and downloading live geocaching data. On your eTrex SE, select Settings from the main menu. Select Geocaching and then Register Device. A unique code will be displayed on the screen. On your smartphone or computer, visit www.geo.co/Garmin. Sign in if you have an existing account or create a new one. In this video, we will be creating a new account. Once your account has been created, enter the activation code displayed on your eTrex SE and select Pair Device. The eTrex SE will begin registering your device. A registration complete message will display when done. Now that you have set up live geocaching, you are ready to find geocaches. First, we will add geocaching to the main menu of your eTrex SE to make finding them quicker. From the main menu, scroll down and select Edit. Then scroll down and select Add. Finally, select Geocaching. Use the arrow buttons to place it in the list. Then select the OK button to confirm its placement. Now, geocaching will be listed in the main menu. Scroll down and select it. With your eTrex SE connected to your smartphone, the nearest 25 geocaches will be listed. The filter defaults to Show All. The different options allow you to narrow down your available caches. To learn more about the options available, visit geocaching.com. Now, select a geocache to see what options are available. The cache overview screen will display. Selecting the menu provides several options. Selecting Go shows a direct path from your current location to the cache. Selecting the down arrow provides a compass screen. The last screen provides the trip computer. View on Map offers a simple map with a direct path to the cache. If you are doing a multi-cache, Next Stage allows you to enter in the next location. Log Attempt allows you to record your results. The description is provided by the person who has created the geocache. Show Logs are comments entered into a geocaching.com account for this cache. Show Hint provides a clue given by the owner of the cache. Saving the geocache as a waypoint is also available. Let's find a geocache. Select a geocache in the list, followed by Go. The direction to the cache is shown. Using the down arrow provides for a directional compass. Pressing down again will show us the trip computer. Let's change that data field from speed to distance so you can see how close you are to the cache. Press the OK button to select the menu. Scroll down and select Edit Data Fields. Use the down arrow to highlight the speed data field. Select it. Here, change the data field to Destination Location. As we navigate to the geocache, we may need to move around obstacles, which could increase the distance. Keep in mind that the shortest distance may not be the best way. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.